11, match number 25 as we go to Namrata to bring these two teams on the mat. Very bright for them as the Chandigarh Chargers in front of us as Kulwinder Dalal and Neeraj Chahal will be coming in. Dinesh, Parveen, Lakshya and Bablu Samsher. Fabulous rating trio for the Chargers. They are on a roll for sure. Yogesh Chahal and Gurmeet Dalal. Oh, yesterday they were on hot form against the UP Falcons, and because of Gurmeet Dalal, they could probably manage to stop Akash Bhatti nicely yesterday. Dikshit, Vikram, Nikesh Ravinder is not playing in. That's a little change as Mahesh Rana.
जाना जाता है बादशाह के नाम से। लवप्रीत सिंह, कुलदीप सिंह, ये जो जोड़ी है वो राइट कवर और लेफ्ट कवर पे रहेगी। राइट इन पे रहेंगे धीरज, उनका साथ देंगे बलराज सिंह जो कि 11 नंबर की जर्सी है। आज 20 नंबर की जर्सी वाले बलराज सिंह फिलहाल नहीं दिख रहे। राइट कॉर्नर पे हरिचंद सिंह 7 नंबर की जर्सी में और मानव शर्मा उनका साथ देंगे। लेफ्ट कॉर्नर पे इनका काम रहेगा एंकल होल्ड करना। लेकिन बेंच पे कौन कौन बैठा है देखते हैं। बलराज सिंह बेंच पे है, आतमजीत सिंह, गुरप्रीत सिंह, तनवीर सिंह, मनप्रीत सिंह, ये पांचों सिंह ही है।
Yeah, correct. Had a change in fortune as Chandigarh Chargers have won the toss and the Sin Sonics will be raiding first. He needs to really lead from the front and said, no, Dheeraj has gone to the lobby. Right, again, Hari Chand in that previous raid from that right corner, making a hasty attempt. The defender goes out. This time, left corner. That's the error. Brilliant step from Dinesh. This is where...
जी हाँ, बिल्कुल, दिनेश।
And Navneet, once again, the Sin Sonics are breaking apart.
Red Asif 2 points.
Oh,
Chandigarh
definitely.
Chargers.
और
Number 55
धनश्री
and 6
जी के
out.
आवाज में थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे रुकावट ऐसा लगा कि थोड़ा सा क्या
In the night, or probably now in the morning somewhere, try to draw comparisons with your favorite player, number 14, and the jersey and everything. And this is probably a super tackle. Oh, that was so close to be an all-out. Dinesh was in a touching distance, but his ankles are in the wrong grip of Lovepreet
2
Singh.
points. Sin Sonics.
First tackle points for them.
Oh yes, and actually I did not think about that when you told Naveen that number 14 Bablu, and then only it came to my mind number 14. I am pretty a number person, which you know. When I see Dinesh wearing number 19, I remember
Be in the umpiring panel. That's nice. But the criteria, oh right, kick from Nikesh. Good that he missed out Manav Sharma. And now he attacks the right corner. Ah, Lord. That's a problem area again. Hari Chand Singh has got the bonus and also that running hand touch on Hari Chand. But there is a little criteria there. Navneet, you should actually play.
जाएगा नंबर 19 दिनेश यहाँ पे 11 और 6 का स्कोर। सुपर टैकल का यहाँ पे मौका है और सफाया हो गया है। स्वच्छ भारत अभियान की हम बात करेंगे और ये युवा कबड्डी कमाल का मोमेंट भी था।
Yeah, the escape was pretty clear, isn't it? As Sin Sonics once again look passionless, planless, and purposeless. But this definitely is a purposeful raid from Dinesh. Kamal moment of the match.
तो एज अ कमेंटेटर आप बेहतर होंगे और मेरी आपसे एक जल्दी से क्विक रिक्वेस्ट है। लेकिन यहाँ पे देखिए बलराज सिंह को पॉइंट मिला है। रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि मेरा भी फॉर्म आप भरवा दीजिए वो एग्जाम के लिए।
नहीं बिल्कुल
मुझे नहीं पता कैसे भरते हैं।
Yeah, this dash was not powerful at all. Almost an all out now. It's more than 10. I'm pretty sure about that. 10 to 11 is what I guess. It's 15, right? And only one super tackle and one tackle point, Navneet. That's all. On top of your game every time, on top of the rules. So now see that can't rule generally is not existent at all. Because nobody takes that into serious consideration. The kabaddi can that is needed. That was one of the hallmarks of the game. But probably now that is slowly passing off, concentrating more on the skills. Like, is the rule written? That's what they'll ask. That's what they will probably say. Again, Lakshya goes in, but this time, right, Kuldeep Kumar, is that another super raid for him?
Raiders
He's claiming
have 3
points.
Jersey number
Yes,
70,
second super raid for
22
him.
and 1 out.
Navneet, very good raid, finally.
17, 120.
जी हाँ, बेहद शानदार रेड और मैंने आपके शब्दों को बहुत ध्यान से सुना और रूल जो होता है मैच ऑफिशियल्स के लिए रहते हैं कोई कंटेंशियस डिसीजन होता है तो निश्चित रूप से हमें उस बुक की तरफ जाना पड़ता है लेकिन अगर
Correct.
आप ओवरऑल अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए जैसे जब नए फैंस जुड़ते हैं या नए खिलाड़ी जुड़ते हैं तो वो रूल बुक नहीं पढ़ते हैं वो रूल बुक की तरफ नहीं जाते हैं वो देखते हैं कि क्या वो तस्वीरों से समझते हैं ये मेरा मानना है और लेकिन अंपायर्स के लिए रेफरीज के लिए वो रूल बुक किताबों में लिखा जाना तो हर एक चीज का पर्पस है वीडियो
A tough lineup. And to only get 3 teams out of it, yeah, it's going to be a little heartbreaking. But that is how you need to begin the year, isn't it? Once again,
Raider out.
Kuldeep
1
Singh
plus 2, 3 points.
doesn't
Chandigarh
escape.
Chargers, all out.
And again, there's an all-out. That's the third one of the match. So, Navneet, your expectations from the first division matches? It's definitely nice that we have divided these teams into 3 divisions depending on their performance. And say if you do better, say like the Vasco Vipers in the next edition, can be
जो आप दांतों तले उंगलियां चबा ले
और इससे पहले कभी देखी नहीं होंगी ना ऐसे मैचेस नो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से बिकॉज़ इट्स अ नेवर सीन बिफोर सिनेरियो we've never had the best of Yuva Kabaddi series clash against the rest of the world, the best of the rest of the world. As Nikesh Ravinder, brilliant escape. The block came in from the right cover, no problems there, but nobody took care of the legs. It was a single attempt from the right cover. The left cover should have gone in for the ankles. That did not happen. Yeah, there's the last has happened in the previous or the last day's match. So that's fine. Let's keep that out. As the super tackle comes in, a third one. The third one for the Sinsonics. Brian, Navneet, speak of something previously that is not right for Yogesh Nagar. This time, what he's done right is probably again strengthen the raiding department for UP Falcons. That's the rule of crossing the balk line. It has to be done as if it has to be like a bonus point. See, these are the things, Navneet, cannot be told in a picture or a video. Yes, there can be representations, but we as storytellers need to refer to the rule book and keep telling this to people watching. So I think that is, as I said, both needs to go hand in hand. As Mahesh Rana gets another point, both needs to go hand in hand. He just says sorry there for the kick. Oh, that was a vicious one. That was strong on Gurpreet Singh's nose. Probably will go out and treat that a little. Well, that's the end of the match as Chandigarh Chargers have managed.
बड़ा सा यहाँ पर पॉइंट का पहाड़ खड़ा कर दिया है
Navneet, the 10 points, if you're seeing that, that might look big, but no, it is.